Hello everybody! Welcome to Creating the Basic Adaptable Game Engine Library, Part 57, Plane Dodger Game Design. Starting in this video, we're going to create yet another game using the Basic Adaptable Game Engine Library that we've created to further illustrate the versatility of this game engine. The game we'll be creating is a game I call Plane Dodger. This game was inspired by an older smartphone game called Flappy Bird. This is an endless side-scrolling game in which you will control this green plane, and it will appear to be flying to the right, well, forever. That effect is accomplished by having this background image scroll to the left. In truth, the player's plane will stay at a fixed X position. In addition, there will be enemy planes, colored red, spawning at random time intervals. They'll spawn to the right side of the screen and then fly from the right to the left, and the player must dodge these planes. At the same time, there needs to be a way for the player to evaluate their performance. And for this reason, there are going to be stars which appear from time to time, and by having the player plane overlap with those stars, the stars will be collected and the player will earn some points to measure their progress. And the game keeps going on and on until the player crashes and loses. So here are the different video topics that we'll go through in the next set of videos. So we've talked about what this game is. It's an infinite side-scrolling game where you try to get higher and higher scores. The player plane will be appearing to fly to the right, and the player plane will also be continuously pulled down, kind of simulating the effect of gravity. And by pressing a key, the plane will get a little boost of vertical speed, and that's how the player will control its vertical position. We discussed the enemy planes. They'll be spawning off the right edge of the screen and traveling to the left. And to make the game more challenging as time goes on, the speed at which the enemy planes travel will slowly increase over time. The stars will follow a similar spawning pattern to the enemy planes. So we mentioned we'll collect them to earn points. The number of points that are earned will be displayed in a label. It's a very minimalistic user interface, so as not to distract the player too much from the action which is happening in the main area. And then we'll talk about some additional features which you might wish to add if you're so interested. And that's the idea for the next set of videos. And so in the next video, we'll probably start with this first set of goals. We'll start with setting up the infinite side-scrolling effect, which itself is interesting because, well, images have a finite size. So how do you make something look like it's scrolling forever? For that information, come watch the next video. Thanks for watching.